Needless to say, it is given practice whenever you drill a hole into material that you should stay perpendicular to the surface into which you drill. If you are not sure how to do that, or you did not have enough experience, what you can do is take a piece of timber that is exactly square, 2 pieces in fact. Then you can put it like that, hold it in position, and the drill, keep it flush with that surface as well as with that surface in the corner. Now you can see that if you drill now, keeping it flush with both surfaces, that you will drill exactly 90 degrees into the bottom surface. Of course, that is now a long drill. A thinner drill is shorter as well. Now you can see the length there, it will not work because now this timber is too thick. Simply just take thinner pieces, and it's the same principle. Keep the drill exactly against both surfaces in the corner, and then you will drill 100% perpendicular. You will remember the trigger is a variable speed trigger. If you press it lightly, it goes slowly, and if the further you press it, the faster it goes. The purpose of that is when you drill into hard material like metal or very hard wood, you should use a slow speed. When you drill into metal, don't even attempt to use a drill bit that is not sharp, because all that will happen, because of the friction, it will not drill properly and it will heat up, and you will have to cool it down, of course, every now and then, but it will heat up and lose its hardness, and then you have to change the bits anyway. So use sharp bits only if you drill into metal. If you drill into hardwood, so I left this here so that we can drill perpendicular. Just apply enough pressure to go in. You will feel how fast you can go. If it stops drilling, then you know, if it stops going in, you will know then the flutes is full of debris. Just remove it, clean it, and then you can go in again. Alright, if the wood was very soft, you can go at a fast speed. Remember, if the wood was very hard, the drill bit will probably be hot, so don't touch it with your fingers, just use a brush.